step one was remove the wheel, but for me, step one was hit the pen, which meant fucking don't film the wheel.
Alright, so now we're gonna remove the brake caliper.
Now that you have the brake caliper in your hand, fucking do this.
Looking for something along the... Now we have 2 zip ties holding up the brake caliper.
There we go, 3 zip ties and a brake rotor. Awesome. So essentially just impact that bitch out.
So I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a bolt here, there's a bolt right here, and there's one right next to it.
Yeah.
Dog, tell me why I was tightening the fucking... Alright, after you've used your fucking breaker bar. Is this just a Renault? Can I order parts from fucking Britain? Thank you. And watch this shit. You motherfuckers in the South. Alright, so awesome low-key-ish. Here's what the brand new one looked like. Here's that old-ass crusty one looked like. It doesn't have any play, per se. Make sure... Yeah, 62. And 62. Yes, sir.
Tire hitting. I was like, wait.